And yes, only in Thailand could a kitten end up behind bars with a newspaper announcement asking for bail money. One day, a tiny missing kitten caused the biggest chaos inside a police station.
Where am I? Who will take me home?
In a quiet Thai town, the police thought the kitten was too cute to leave on the streets, so they took it to the station.
The police thought this little furball was too cute to be left alone, so they brought it to the station. But what happened next shocked everyone.
Within minutes, the station was turned upside down. Papers flying, officers stumbling, this kitten was wilder than a tiger. Oh, you little rascal.
Why are you trying to do this to me?
When they tried to calm it down, the kitten fought back.
Hands off me! Scratch here, bite there, consider yourselves warned.
Annoyed and defeated, the police had no choice. They locked the kitten in prison.
Bail the kitten. Dollars needed to release the criminal cat.
Soon after, two ladies arrived, smiling brightly. They paid a huge bail to release the little troublemaker. And just like that,
the spoiled brat was free again. Turns out, this wasn't a stray kitten. It was This true story proves one thing: never underestimate a kitten, especially a spoiled one.
Prison? That was just a holiday. Now, bring me my milk in a silver bowl.
That's how, in Thailand, one spoiled little kitten became famous for going to jail.